and gentlemen, this is Big Rob here. I want to take the time, make this quick video real quick. I just want to show you the results of Miracle Money. This is an indicator that I created it based off of my trading, based on my trading style, and it's based on price action. And as you can see, bulls are in control, and it's telling you exactly strong buy entry. As you can see, I got in on a buy, and I got into some more trades. I'm actually trading Bitcoin, crypto, and so far I'm in the plus right now. I still got, like I said, I got some open trades. I'm in OddCAD. I'm up 20 pips in that. I've been having results, man, consistently with this indicator. Alright. This indicator is for the average person that, that's totally new to trading, or just getting involved for the first time, whatever. Or maybe you've been in it for a while and you're struggling and you're losing trades, and you're studying your technical analysis, you're doing all that stuff, yet it's not paying off for you. This right here makes it plainly simple for you. It's almost literally like having a virtual coach. It's like having a coach right there with you, telling you exactly when to get in, when to get out, when to buy, when to sell, markets in consolidation, tells you when not to trade, and all that stuff. So it completely take all the guesswork out of trading as a whole. Okay, so all you basically doing is actually follow exactly what it's telling you to do. That's it. That is basically it. There's no guesswork to this. Okay, this is actually on a 15-minute chart. Like I said, it basically just tells you exactly what to do. It basically tells you. I might go ahead and take my profits. Now, since I'm pretty much in a good position. I'm just gonna go ahead and take my profits. Alright, so that's up 30. That's $32 just off that. The lot, I had a 0.10 lot size, so I just made $32 just right there, just off this one candle right here. Alright, so yeah, it's bullish, but I'm just gonna, like I said, I'm out for now. Like I said, I still got some other trades going, but folks, I'm telling you, this is the simplest, easiest Forex trading system you probably gonna ever find on the internet. Okay, there's no confusing, nothing. You just simply follow exactly what it's telling you. Alright, so if you're interested in getting Miracle Money, you can contact me my email address is in the description box below. Contact me, and I definitely will get you going, get you set up. And also, it comes with videos showing you how to install it, all that good stuff. Alright, so if you're interested, just hit me up in my email. Talk to you soon.